Hi guys, this is me. The feeling of holidays, but one of the biggest cost of planning a holidays are looking for our air tickets. I have booked a recent amount of ticket in a recent year, so I'm gonna share with you one of the tricks which I use to book the cheapest holidays tickets. So please stay tuned. So first thing I do is I delete my browser history. Browsers are sharing our data with the airlines industry, and they know what you are looking for, so they can sell you on a higher prices. So make sure you delete your browser history. And the second thing is be flexible with your dates. Research shows that the cheapest tickets come on Tuesdays and the most expensive on Fridays. And last but not least, choose correct flight search engines. So Skyscanner is one of the biggest in the market right now, and they are one of the best. And the second one is, of course, Google Flights. Let's just see it in action. I'm taking you to my Chrome window and show you how I do it. So this is me on my incognito tab, and I am on Skyscanner and Google Flights. So let's say I am in Dublin and I'm going to Dubai on 1st of August and coming back on 11th of August, and I'm filling the same in Google Flights and the same dates. 1st of August departure and 11th of August is arrival. So in my Skyscanner I see the cheapest air tickets is 326 euros, and in Google Flight is the cheapest ticket is 326 euros as well. So this is the tickets in a Google I get. So and these are the timings which aren't great, but whereas in Skyscanner the timings are not too bad. So I like that. So what I'm just doing is, the Skyscanner result shows that the ticket is from Etihad Airways. So I'm going into the Etihad Airways and filling the same details, which is Dublin to Dubai, same dates, and I'm looking for the tickets. The Etihad. So let's see what are the results coming up. So the first leg of the flight is 196 euros, so I'm selecting that, and the second leg of flight is 209, so it is well over 400 euros. Yeah, let's just see what it comes. Yeah, it's over 400 euros. So yeah, coming back to Skyscanner, I like the ticket and I'm gonna book that from last minute or Skyscanner itself. Yeah, thanks.